Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Revenue and Disaster Management uba Lahkmen Rumbui. Hakasngi baar ulasam ki emergency responder kits ki badai ki tiar ban kam. Hakan nuko por baja ki Jynjar kum ka jingplu ding. Ka jingsha penjat mariang bat ki wei. Shaki volunteer ki bala syak pentebet hapo ka Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme. Haka program ke bala penong ha usosot ham aditariam. Haba ajingkran hakan ni Shillong menteri ula ai ka Jynjar ki South Park lai pusawngut ki volunteer bala syak pentebet. Nak benta ka jing ai tilut ka jing shim jing kit kle ba ka jing pen kre ka jongki lada ja kinu ki Jynjar sya penjot mariang ni kinu ki Jynjar basngosi ula kran ru halor ka jing ai tilut ka Nehru Yuva Kendra Bharat Scouts and Guides National Cadet Corps bat ka National Service Scheme nak benta ban pen kubor ki samla ban shakri ningkong lada ja kinu ki Jynjar bakirki ngihap ban sngotu ba ka Jynjar basneu ni ki jing penjulor kila banja hakanu por hakanu jaka hakani ka perthei bamenta bon ki jing penjulor ki dei ki bala lehi da ubrio gimla ban tip lepai ki jing sya penjot ni kinu ki Jynjar hending hap bandong ki bala kre anak benta ka nu ki Jynjar ka bala banja laong uba Lahkmen ki ba jing kran hakani ka Shillong Kylleng ka Commissioner and Secretary Revenue and Disaster Management ka kong Mat Sudor War Nongbri bat ka DC ka East Khas Hills ka kong RM Kurba bat kiwe pat kiri pakman
that you for the 34 you have a clear mind that we need to respond. Thank you very much. Thank you for Nehru Yuva Kendra, Bharat Scout, LCC, and NSS for instilling the confidence in this volunteer, in this team that they should help and they should be part of the solution. Because we are living in the world that disaster is awaiting us. It is not that it is not going to happen. It is everywhere. And we need to respond. And especially nowadays, the most difficult part is most of the disaster is man-made disaster. As a whole, it is, so to say, a center for disaster, God forbid, to happen. You have seen most of the road you cannot drive. Most of the road you cannot walk. And if you remember, 3-4 fire which happened in the city, and that time when I was the Home Minister, I asked the fire service, why it took you so much time to reach the spot to respond. The reply is that the fire brigade could not reach the place because so many cars parked on the roadside. That's why we could not respond. So Shillong being an unplanned city, even we are planned for the single-story building. We are a planned city for the Assam White House. We are not a planned city for the multi-story. The Lahkmen area has the capacity for, say, 8,000, 9,000 population. But now, with the growth of multi-story building, it has to absorb the population, to take care of the population of about 30, 40,000. Whether or infrastructure are going to provide the needs of those 30, 50,000? No. Or road is safe, narrow, or lane is safe, narrow, and everywhere is narrow. So that's why it is very difficult to respond to the mechanized way. But I'm very glad that through you, the volunteer, that you as the first responder, you will be able to reach quickly. And not only that, I'm very happy for Miss Kerda Kongwe. Like the name Panker Banda, so her action, her voluntary is also to take care for, to help in the course of, if there is any emergency. We need this time. Because now as the youth, what is the most thing which the young people, even the old people do today? The first thing, if any accident happen or any disaster happen, the first thing they do, click a video, make a reel, and then call the district authorities to respond. So let us change our mindset. Let us respond first and then do whatever we do in the next movement. Because if everybody, because as I used to say, all of us are reporters, all of us are the newsmakers or the news provider or the content creator. But if all of us, instead of responding, we are busy to make reel, to make video, what will happen? So, my dear young friend, this is not happening only to young people, even to old people also. The thing is that we should know that the first thing is that to respond. Respond, if we cannot respond by ourselves, we need to ask. If in the case of the fire, we have to ask the fire brigade. We have to ask the district authority or the sub-division officer, ask the case may be, so that whatever disaster which going to happen, we could mitigate it as much as possible. So my dear friend, we are living in the world which we cannot live only us. We need the society as whole. So only to join hands. That's why we need NCC, we need NSS, we need Nerua Kendra, we need Bharat Scout, we need civil defense and Hoka volunteers to do all this thing. And it's not very easy for the government to provide everything. We need the people who really understand the need of the human being. And you are the one, you are full here, you are the one who understand. I hope that collectively, and we know that the Chief Minister has really wanted to engage with the youth. This whole week, whole 2 weeks, we have seen that the Chief Minister has given the platform to different youth through the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program that to engage with the youth. Engage with why? We have to instill in the mind of the youth that we have to work together. We have to transform together. We have to ease the livelihood of each and everybody together. Because alone we cannot do it. So the youth are not only the future, we are the present and the future of the state. And I'm very happy you have the mind, the psychological mindset to help the others. You have instilled in yourself the mind that how to help the people. As I said before, you are part of the solution, not a part of the problem. Through the example you set in your neighborhood, the example you set in your district or in your village, we hope that mentally we will be able to mitigate as much as possible the danger or the disaster, especially the man-made. But having said that, we need also the urban planner, the village planner, and all the policy maker. We need to see that whatever policy we need, that it should not bring us disaster in the future. It's in fact, it should mitigate, it should help reduce the danger, the disaster which we could foresee. I'm very happy technology is there. We have Indian meteorological center there to help the district administration to know that when, how much rain we will get. So at least what if there is a cyclone or anything, typhoon, here is the typhoon of course, that so we could prevent. So together with you, the volunteer with NSS, NCC, NYK, all the stakeholders, civil defense of income, we will be able to mitigate whatever disaster which happen. God bless our state of Nigeria that no disaster will happen, should happen, but if there is anything, we will be able to withstand and will avoid that the life of each and every individual, life of each and every animal, and the asset of the state will be there and will be able to respond in the time. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.